Hi friends, I'm Chef Danielle and we're excited because what letter are we learning about this week? Letter H? Yes, and for H in our cooking segment today, we're gonna make hummus. Gabby, you wanna make some hummus?
Yeah.
Okay, great. So what do we need for our hummus? We need our chickpeas.
What are those?
Okay, well, just a second. And then we have tahini, and we're gonna do some fresh squeezed lemon juice, salt, and olive oil. Okay, so can you help me by putting maybe these chickpeas? Let's put it in the food processor. We can just dump it in like that. Woo! That's pretty good. Hold on.
Where's the top?
Wait, and then we'll take a little bit of our tahini. Do you want to put that in there? Put some tahini.
Some lemon.
And that's made with sesame seeds. And you don't always have to put the tahini in there, but you can. Okay, now we need the lemon, right? So with the lemon, we gotta always have an adult cut the lemon. And then you can help me squeeze the lemon juice.
Okay.
Okay, so look, we're gonna put this on here. Wait. Okay, now push it. There you go. Alrighty. Uh-oh, we got some juice coming out down there. That's exactly what we want. Can you push a little more? There we go. And there are different types of lemon squeezers, the citrus press, right? This one is just, we can make different kinds of juices with this. And look, and I think we used this last week when we did our grapefruit juice. Oh, look at all the juice, and all the juice is coming out on the bottom, and the seeds are staying on the top. What does it smell like? Let's use our senses. It smells yummy, right? And then maybe we'll do one more on the other side. Right? Look, we got one half, and let's do the other half.
I can do it.
Great. There we go. Perfect. Great. How does it feel? It's a little hard, right? The lemon? It's a little hard? Yeah, so sometimes we need an adult to help us. Look, Gabby, we have all of our lemon juice. You have a citrus press there. You trying to help me with that one too? Okay, so can you help me? Maybe you can put that down and you can pour the lemon juice. It's okay. And maybe... What does it taste like? Is it yummy?
Yeah, yummy.
You like the lemon juice? Okay. So here, it's a little sour, right? Okay, so let's pour that lemon juice into the food processor. Okay?
Let's see what's happening.
Okay, great. And then can you put a pinch of salt in there too for us?
Yeah.
A pinch. Yeah, that looks great. Perfect. Okay. Perfect. That's good.
Dump it.
No, I think that's too much. And we might need a touch more. Okay. Great. And now we need to turn the food processor on. So let me put the top on. Wait. Put the top on first. And then now we can press start. You can push the button. There it is. Wow.
Yeah.
Okay, turn it off. So that's a good way to get started. Now I've got to add a little bit of oil. So I'm going to have you push the button and I'm going to pour the oil. Keep going. Look. Ooh, look, it's getting nice and smooth. Wait. You see? Ooh, it looks good, right? Alrighty, so look, I'm gonna put our hummus in the bowl. And we've already got some little tortilla chips, right? Or you can use crackers or what else? You like crackers too? And then there's also carrot sticks if we want to use carrots to eat our hummus. Yummy. And this is homemade. H is for homemade. Homemade hummus. Yummy, huh?
Anyways.
Looks pretty good to me. You know what I'm gonna do? Is I'm gonna take one of our triangles and I'm gonna dip it. You wanna dip it? It's so yummy. So Gabby, that was fun making our hummus, wasn't it?
Yeah.
Did you have fun making it?
Let's make a party.
Let's make a party. So the kids might not always eat it, but you know, sometimes it's always good to try because sometimes they're gonna feel adventurous. But it's good to get them in the kitchen and trying things, and it's okay because there's always next time, right? So hopefully we'll see you next week for letter
E. Bye-bye.
We'll see you next week for letter I.
Bye.